In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira as a complete beginner. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand the main areas of the interface and how to navigate the tools you'll use most often. Once you're logged into Jira, you'll land on the For You page. Think of this as your personal dashboard. It's where Jira brings together the work that's most relevant to you so you don't have to dig through multiple projects. Near the top, you'll see different tabs and sections. Start by clicking on the area that highlights your recent activity. This is usually where Jira surfaces things you might want to get back to quickly. Next, click on the Worked On section. This shows issues and tasks you've recently updated or contributed to. It's handy when you're picking up where you left off, especially if you're juggling multiple tickets. Now move over to Viewed. This list is based on what you've opened recently, even if you didn't change anything. It's like your browsing history inside Jira, giving you a quick way to revisit issues you were just checking out. Then click on Assigned to Me. This is one of the most important areas for day-to-day work. It shows everything currently assigned to your user across all projects. Get into the habit of checking this regularly so you always know your priorities. You'll also see a starred section. When you star an issue, board, or project, it's saved as a favorite so you can get back to it quickly. Click on Starred to see how Jira groups those favorites for you. Next, click on Boards. Boards are where you'll usually track work visually, using columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. From here, you can switch between different team boards and find the one that matches the project you're working on. Towards the left side, you'll notice more navigation highlights and menu items. Click through these highlighted areas to open additional Jira products and spaces. You'll find sections where you can manage different kinds of work using templates. Open the template area and select Custom Templates to see any tailored setups your organization might use. Then explore the categories one by one. Click on Software Development to see templates designed for dev teams, Service Management for IT or support work, Work Management for general business projects, Product Management for roadmaps and backlogs, and Marketing for campaigns and content workflows. You're not creating anything yet, you're just learning what's available. Continue clicking the highlighted navigation areas to move into the Help Center and then into the Customer Service section. Here you'll see views related to customer requests and contacts. Finally, go to Settings and open the highlighted options there. This is where you'll later adjust configuration, permissions, and other project-level details once you're more comfortable with Jira. Follow these steps a few times, and you'll quickly get used to where everything lives, which is the foundation for using Jira confidently as a beginner.